Good morning. Let's just go ahead and get started by waking up our muscles. Letting our bodies know that we're ready to do some work today. Get the blood flowing. And do a gentle tap. Don't over tap, but you definitely want to feel it. Let's get everything moving. Work out those hips, the buttocks, and the belly. It's good to get the belly working in the morning, get the digestive system flowing, all good for that morning victory. And then come on up to your chest. And arms. Hands, wrists, fingers, inside of the palms. Armpits. Get in there good. Just get everything moving. Everything flowing. 2023. 2, 2, 2, 3. Back of the neck here. Gentle on the throat. Get your face. Slap a little sense into yourself. Your head. Gentle on the back of your neck. Just get everything. Give it all a little attention. Take your two hands, one behind your ear, one in front of your ear, and rub your ears. Rub, 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 rub. Get them nice and hot. Get your ears hot. Pull. Let it all go. And now the other side. Get them nice and hot. You should have some nice, warm, hot ears. And pull. And let's roll our wrist. Just open those hands, roll those wrists. Really get the blood flowing. We're going to go into 10 fingers and 10 toes. One of my favorite exercises. And now back behind you, roll towards you. Really opening up the wrists here. And we're going to do fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open, close. Open, close. Take your fingers and touch them together. Touch, 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 and touch. And be really mindful here. Touching, activating each finger, and touch. And again, one more time. Touch, 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 and touch. And we'll roll our wrist. Woo! Roll those wrists. We're all on our phones and computers these days. You know, besides this, I also work with my hands as a hairstylist. And roll your wrist the opposite direction. And our feet. Just roll the ankles. And notice if you're going fast, slow it down. Now the opposite direction. Roll your feet, roll your ankles. And now the other direction. And roll, roll, roll. And now the opposite direction. And slow it down. So let's go ahead and take our toes and place our feet flat on the floor and reach our toes up in towards the sky. Spread your toes open wide. Spread, spread, spread. And now place each toe individually down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when you get them down, just slightly push a little weight onto the front of your toes and lift up onto your toes. Feel your toes begin to spread. Yes, it feels amazing. And then back on down, and feet are flat again, flat feet. And spread your toes, spread them, lifting your toes nice and wide up towards the ceiling. And from your pinky toe, individually put them down, one toe at a time. And again, moving forward. Up onto your toes. If you have good balance, you can bend your knees here. Bend your knees, nice. All right, come on back up. Okay, so let's move down onto the floor here. Place our hands down in front of us. And just take a deep exhale out through your mouth. And just relax. Let everything out here. Inhale through your nose and exhale. And take your fingers and lift your thumbs off the ground, keeping your palms flat on the ground. And all the rest of the fingers, just lift your thumbs. This is 10 fingers, 10 toes. We lift, 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 lift. Close your eyes, relax your shoulders. Just allow your body to soften here. Straighten your spine. Just notice your back starts to relax. Any tension that you notice, just soften into it. Keeping your thumbs raised off the ground. Really feel your thumbs activating here. And then thumbs down on the ground. And now take your pointer fingers and lift your pointer fingers. You might hear some pop, 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 pops and stretches. It feels so good. I love this. And try not to put too much pressure in your palms and in the rest of the fingers on the ground. Just think about the pointer fingers lifting. As your spine relaxes, your neck relaxes. It's really getting comfortable being here. Breathing through all tension. And sitting with it for a moment. Recognizing where blockages may be in your body. Here we're really tuning in, getting information from our fingers, coming up into our brains, really tuning in here, and fingers back down. Now your middle fingers, reach up, relax your palms, just notice any tension, relax into it. Continue to breathe through your nose and out through your nose. We feel your fingers. Noticing that you're not putting too much pressure on the palms and the other fingers and your thumb on the ground. Just really tuning in. Sometimes you might see you putting more strain on your lower back, so you relax your lower back, and sometimes you might see you're putting more strain on your neck, so you relax your neck, you soften. It really lets us tune in to what we tense up when we're concentrating on a different area. We place those fingers down, and now with the ring finger, it's getting a little harder, but it feels good. I can feel my body lighten up, electrifying like electrical pulses. You can feel the vibration kicking in. I hope you can too. If you're vibrating, that's good. That's the goal. The vibration is the medicine. Here we vibrate. Woo! Yes. Coming alive. We are alive. 2023, here we are. And relax. And now the last one. Just your consequence. And lift up those pinky fingers. Woo! Holy moly. Woo! Feel it in there. You might even need to relax your ankles. Relax your spine. Your lower back. Relax your neck. Really settle in here. Feel the vibration. Woo! Yes, baby. Feels good. Alright, hands down. Now just take your hands and up onto your fingers. Spider walk your hands. Yes, it feels so good. Okay, ooh, nice backs. Alright, so now from here we will move into our 10 toes. Our little toesies here. So bend forward and place your hands on your toes. And here you can see my toes. And just lift, lifting the big toe. Place your fingers on all the other toes, holding the other toes down. The toes are much harder here. They have a tendency to lift up on us, so we must hold them down. And here we hold them down. Relax any tension in your neck. Soften your neck. Just let it fall heavy. You continue to lift those big toes. Lift them, lift force going into your body too quick. We're coming into the new year. Been busy times. So go ahead and put your big toes down, and now put fingers on those big toes, and now lift the second toes, lift them, lift. Relax your shoulders. Soften your neck. And just allow yourself to hang here. Let your toes lift off the ground. And soften into your body. Any tension that arises, just let go. Let it fall. Breathe into it, remembering to breathe in through your nose and out through your nose. And now the middle toe, your third toe, lift it. Lift your third little piggy. You might need to relax your shoulders again. Relax your neck. Feels so good. I'm doing this with you. You're not doing this alone. We're in this together. Finding space, creating space. Just softening into it. And keep those toes lifted. Yes, it feels so good. And then now to your fourth toe. This one gets harder here. And lift. Woohoo! You can see all the blood flowing. Woo! Go in there, baby. Lift it up. Relax those shoulders. Press down on those toes. Let them lift. Lift. Finding space. Shoo! Nice. Let them go. Let them roll. Let these toes come out. These are the light switches of our bodies. These are literally the first place that we turn ourselves on. Can't take off with cringed up toes. You need to find space. They need to be nice and flat. Like a Buddha foot. Nice Buddha foot. These flat feet. Not all cringed up, tensed up, balled up. Turned on. Alright, now the last little toe, your cute little pinky toes, and let's just go. These ones are hard, but you got it. Stretch them. Stretch those little pinkies. Stretch them. Nice. Relax your shoulders. Relax your belly. Relax your neck. Stretch that little pinky toe. Stretch it out. Oh yes, I can feel all the blood flowing. Oh man, everything is opening up, my entire body. You can feel it too, feel the rush. It's like the coolness. Feels so good. No more blockages. The floodgates have just opened. Woo! Alright. And just slowly roll up one vertebra at a time. Nice. And to finish with today's practice, We will be doing the 9 breath meditation standing up. But if you're new to this practice, please grab a chair and sit in a chair. It's much safer that way. Standing up is an advanced practice, so without further ado, feet together and touching, and the weight is on the balls of your feet. And bring your hands around to palm over your navel center. 1, 2, 3. Exhale out. Inhale. Exhale. 1. In. Out. 2. In. Out. 3. In. Out. 4. In. Out. 5. In. Out. 6. In. Out. 7. In. Out. 8. Deep inhale. Top it off. Swallow all the air into your belly and relax your belly. Exhale out with pursed lips. And to let your body know that your practice is complete, rub your belly in a spiral direction, and the spiral is getting bigger. And the opposite direction, the spiral's bigger, getting smaller. I hope you enjoy this practice as much as I do. Namaste. Namaste.